It's Friday, July 4th. In the headlines, Jamaica's economy grows 1.1% in the first quarter of 2025. Wage talks between Finance Ministry and the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions set to begin on July 16. In business news, more funding for small businesses. Regionally, President Dr. Ifran Ali has officially dissolved Guyana's 12th Parliament, paving the way for general elections. And in sports, Jamaica Football Federation President urges patience as JWPL clubs await promised government funding. This is the weekend news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.